welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the psychology of learning. You know, the human brain is capable of extraordinary things, from composing symphonies to solving complex mathematical equations. But when it comes to learning and retaining information, sometimes it feels like our brains have a mind of their own. Stick around to discover some powerful tips for maximum retention. We'll unlock the secrets to optimize your learning experience and make information stick like never before. You know, when we look out into the vastness of space, we see galaxies colliding, stars being born, black holes warping the fabric of space-time. It's awe-inspiring, right? The universe is a grand spectacle of creation and destruction, a dance of cosmic forces that has been ongoing for billions of years. But what's even more awe-inspiring is the 3 pounds of matter we each carry around in our skulls, the human brain. This incredible organ is capable of feats that rival the wonders of the cosmos. This organ, with its billions of neurons firing away, is the key to unlocking your learning potential. Each neuron connects to thousands of others, creating a vast network of communication that enables us to think, learn, and create. Think of it like this. Your brain is a muscle. Just like any other muscle in your body, it needs regular exercise to stay strong and healthy. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Engaging in challenging mental activities, learning new skills, and solving problems all contribute to building a more resilient and powerful brain. And just like any athlete will tell you, understanding how your muscles work is crucial for maximizing performance. Knowing the right techniques and strategies can make all the difference. The same goes for learning. When we understand how our brains process and store information, we can optimize our study habits and retain more knowledge. This means not just working harder, but working smarter. By leveraging the natural strengths of our brains, we can unlock our full learning potential and achieve things we never thought possible. So embrace your learning superpower and let your brain take you to new heights. We've all been there, cramming for a test at the last minute, feeling like we're stuffing our brains with information. But then, a few days later, poof, it's like the information vanished into thin air. That's the forgetting curve at work. But don't worry, there's a powerful technique to combat this spaced repetition. Think of it like launching a rocket into space. It takes multiple stages of thrust at precisely timed intervals to overcome Earth's gravity. Similarly, spaced repetition involves revisiting information at increasing intervals. This repeated exposure strengthens the neural pathways associated with that information, making it stickier and easier to recall later on. It's like giving your brain booster shots of knowledge. Chapter 3. We spend about a third of our lives sleeping. That's a significant portion of our existence dedicated to what seems like inactivity. It's easy to think of sleep as downtime, but it's far from it. While our bodies rest, our brains are hard at work. Sleep is like a nightly reset button for our brains, essential for consolidating memories and improving learning. It's a time when our minds process the day's events. Imagine your brain as a giant filing cabinet. Throughout the day, we gather countless pieces of information. During the day, as you encounter new information, it's like tossing files randomly into the cabinet. It's chaotic and disorganized. Sleep is when the real magic happens. Your brain starts to sort through all those files. Your brain goes to work organizing and filing those memories away into long-term storage. It's like having a team of night workers tidying up a busy office. So if you're pulling all-nighters trying to cram, you're actually doing yourself a disservice. Lack of sleep hampers this crucial process. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. It's like giving your brain the time it needs to do its job effectively. A well-rested brain is more efficient, more creative, and better at problem solving. Chapter 4. Let's face it, passively reading a textbook or listening to a lecture can be about as exciting as watching paint dry. Our brains crave engagement, and that's where active learning comes in. Think of it like exploring a new planet. You wouldn't just sit in a spaceship and look at pictures, would you? You'd want to get out there, explore the terrain, collect samples, and truly immerse yourself in the experience. Active learning is about engaging with the material, asking questions, summarizing information in your own words, and teaching it to others. The more actively involved you are, the more deeply the information will be encoded in your brain. Chapter 5. Just like a telescope needs a clear night sky to observe distant galaxies, your brain needs the right environment to focus and learn effectively. Imagine trying to study in a noisy, cluttered room. It's nearly impossible to concentrate, right? That's why creating a dedicated study space is so important. Your study space should be free from distractions like your phone, social media, or that tempting TV show. Think about it, even small distractions can pull your brain's focus away from the task at hand, like tiny meteoroids disrupting a satellite's orbit. To truly absorb information, you need a quiet spot with good lighting and comfortable seating. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a serene spot in your garden, or even a peaceful park bench. Surround yourself with things that inspire you, like motivational quotes or pictures of your goals. These visual reminders can keep you motivated and focused on your objectives. Remember, your study environment should be a sanctuary for your mind, a place where you can delve into the depths of knowledge without interruption. By creating a learning sanctuary, you set the stage for effective study sessions and a more productive learning experience. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and understanding how your brain works is like having a superpower. Leave a comment below with your favorite learning tip or any questions you have. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep those brains buzzing.